Hey everybody, Crazy Pop here. We got one of the crazy kids, Michael, with us. Today, we're gonna make some bacon barbecue grilled cheese sandwiches on the Blackstone. Now, of course, who don't like a good grilled cheese sandwich? But we're gonna put a little Crazy Pop twist on it, add a little homemade smoked barbecue to it that we made the other day out of some pork butts. And we're gonna add some bacon on top of that and grill up right here on the Blackstone. Think it'll be good, Michael? Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Michael here is going to help me cook it and flip it and whatever else we got to do to it. So let's show you the ingredients we're going to start with. But before we do all that, make sure you subscribe. What else we got to do?
Leave a comment and like this video.
Yeah, give us a thumbs up. That helps us out.
Turn on notifications.
Turn on notifications. All right, let's get to showing you what we're going to cook with. All right, this recipe for these grilled cheese sandwiches is fairly simple. Of course, you got to have the bread and the butter and the cheese. Well, we got some Monterey Colby Jack blend. We also got some thick sliced bacon here. And there's some pulled pork barbecue we have left over that we made some smoked barbecue on the other night. I'll leave a link in the description below of how we make our barbecue pulled pork. And you can check that out. And of course, we just have some regular barbecue sauce. Now, use whatever kind of sauce you want. As I say in every video, this is just something we have on hand real quick. So let's get this barbecue heated up and getting this bacon cooked. And then we'll get to putting these things together. Okay, we're ready to start cooking some stuff up. One of the other crazy kids, little Keith here, decided to show up to help us out. So I guess the first thing we need to do is get some bacon on. Y'all gonna put some bacon on here for us?
Bacon, bacon.
Bacon, bacon, bacon. There you go.
See, we're gonna cook it faster.
No, we don't want to cook too fast. All right, put your presses on there. So to lay flat. So he figured out how to do it.
What?
Don't. No.
Man, he's special. Put them close together because I would press them one.
Lay them all out like that, see? And now.
Press them all?
There you go. Put it on there. You got it? Okay. No, don't press. Just let it lay. Okay. All right.
I'm cooking, guys.
They're learning. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of this barbecue on the griddle too.
Barbecue.
You like the barbecue?
Barbecue.
Add some sauce to it. This is where it's going to be messy, but it's going to be good. Think that's enough sauce?
I've seen that
right.
pop on you.
All right, we'll mix this up and get it all. I think we're gonna need more sauce.
Yeah, we need a lot of sauce.
I don't know. This might be okay.
Yeah.
I still think we need to do live one day.
Live stream. It
Live
would be so fun.
stream. Think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, well. Okay, let's check this bacon real quick. Let's go ahead and flip it over. Get it cooking on the other side. And presses really help out, don't they? Yeah.
Cause I'm next to me.
Hard to cook with a hurt hand there, ain't it, bud?
Nah.
It's not?
It's hard to do nothing. Never say never.
In case everybody's wondering, he broke his fingers at basketball practice. And if you noticed, Keith over here has got his cast off. But he's still not used to using his arm. He still holds his arm like he's wearing a cast. And he broke his arm roller skating, so. Yeah.
I'm a better skater than him.
You're a better skater than him.
I didn't break my arm.
Yeah, but you broke your finger playing basketball, so apparently he's better at basketball than him.
Nah.
Let's stir up this barbecue.
He might be better than both than me, because I failed.
Now what I like doing about this barbecue is you notice it's getting a little sear on the meat like that.
What is sear?
Kind of like that crust on there. Just putting like just a little bit of a crust on there. You like crusty barbecue?
I don't know. Have you ever tried crusty barbecue?
Yeah. I think the bacon's done now, so let's take it on up. Set them on a corner like that. Let's put it all on a plate here. I'll tell you what, it's gonna be good. All right, let's go ahead and take up this barbecue also. Then we'll get to put these grilled cheese sandwiches together. This bacon barbecue grilled cheese. Now you tell me, that's gonna be good on a grilled cheese sandwich. That'd be good on anything. That'd be good by itself. What y'all think?
That would be good in a salad.
A salad? Okay. He says it'd be good in a salad. So if y'all want it in a salad, hey, eat it in a salad. All right, let's get to putting these things together now. Okay, what we're gonna do now is put some butter down. All right, Junebug, throw 2 pieces of bread there on your side. And put some over here for Michael. I'll throw some cheese on there, Junior. Here you go, Michael.
We got cheesy up. Put it on.
Put some more on there for yours, Junior. Let's make them cheesy.
No,
Put them how you want to now. All right, here's you one more. All right.
Star.
Okay. Go ahead and get you a little bit of bacon and we'll put some barbecue on there first, on top of the cheese.
Ooh, that's hot.
There you go. Use a spatula. You want to get you some? Some more?
We can get it barbecue sauce.
You missed the whole sandwich. All right, put you some bacon on there, Michael.
I need some more.
Okay.
Ah, the grill's getting hot to my hand.
Get the bacon out flat as you can.
Oh, there's a lot of bacon.
There's 4 pieces for each sandwich. We're gonna make sure you can't have enough bacon. Let's put a little more barbecue on there.
Give me some more barbecue. We got the barbecue sauce here.
Okay, Michael wants to put a bunch of barbecue on his. All right, put your other piece of bread on there. All right, that'll work. Well, that's what we're fixing to do. All right, put your spatula down. All right. Yeah, you always flatten. Do like that. Flatten them out just a little bit. We're gonna get this cheese good and melted. All right, let's flip these things, boys. Get it good and brown on the other side. Need some help there, bud?
I got it.
Flip it over there in the butter right there. There you go. All right, what we'll do now is we'll cover it up just a little bit. And steam it just a little bit. Get that cheese melted. And then we might have these things to be doing. What y'all think? Think so? You want to see how yours is melting together? You want to see if it's melting together? Mm-hmm. All right, let's look at it.
Ooh,
Melting, melting. Probably could have put more cheese on it, couldn't we?
like 18 pieces slapped on.
All right, what y'all think? Think they're done?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's take them up. Is that brown enough for y'all?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna do this flip. Yeah.
Okay, Michael made a mess out of his. Don't flip them. That's why we need to put cheese on both sides, maybe.
See, it's turned out perfect.
And there you go. What y'all think? We need to cut them open and see how they're gonna look? Then we're gonna eat them, ain't we?
Yeah.
All right, let's get them over here and get them cut open. And there's our finished product. All right, Michael, you wanna try to cut it?
Yep.
All right, grab a knife. Can you cut with a hurt hand like that?
I'm gonna cut mine this way.
That's fine. Got a nice little crunch to it. Coming apart on you.
Yep.
Hold it like that. It's hard to cut with a hurt hand, ain't it?
There we go.
Look at there. All right, Junebug, you want to try to cut yours? All right, don't forget your other hand's not in the cast now. I think he's done about figured out how to cut now. I love cooking with these kids. Open it up and let's see how yours looks. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, we're gonna try it out here in just a second. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Y'all ready to eat this thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. And there they are. All right, pick them up and let's see how they are. Well,
Good. Good. But don't add as much barbecue as I do.
too much barbecue? Really? Okay. How about yours, Junebug?
Just right.
Just right. All right, well, there you go. They can be kind of messy, but hey, messy's good, ain't it? All right, so what do we do now?
Finish eating them.
Finish eating them, okay.
Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what we should do next. And turn on notifications.
That's right.
See you next time. Bye.